Hello guys, today we are making super rich and healthy tomato soup. So for that we have taken 4 to 6 tomatoes, 1 beetroot and one green chili, 1 carrot and a small piece of ginger and 5 to 6 garlic pods. So take a pressure cooker, put it on stove and put some oil, 1 tablespoon. Put some spices and then add one by one all the veggies. Cook them for 2 to 3 minutes and add tomatoes and then again cook it for 2 to 3 minutes till they become slightly soft, and then put whistle on it and pressure cook it for 3 to 4 whistles and let it cool down for a while before opening, and then open it and remove the bay leaf because we don't need this. All the flavors already goes into the soup. And now blend it nicely, and at the meantime add a little bit of water in it to adjust the consistency, and blend it so nicely. Add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon black salt and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Salt is according as per your taste. You can adjust it, add a little bit of more water in it and again blend it so that all the flavors and the salts, spices got mixed up really nice. And now check the seasoning, is it okay? And if the tomatoes are tangy, add a little bit of sugar, and if it's not tangy, add a half lemon's juice, and again put it on stove, mix it well and put it on stove and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes till it become nice and hot. So in winters we love to have some warm and hot, and soups are on the top of our menu. So our soup is ready. This is rich, creamy, super healthy, without any corn flour. It's ready to have. Enjoy your winters, enjoy the soup, and if you like my content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications from my channel. So till the next recipe, this is me, Suman, signing off. Meet you in the next video with a new recipe. Bye bye.